Welcome guys, this is Claudette. Welcome to my creative corner, and today I'm going to give you that quick tip of the week. This is Quick Tip Tuesday. So now what we're going to do is with our new ink pads, a lot of times they're not as easy to, they have like a tight seal to close. I generally use this one quite often, so it's not too bad. So I'm going to show you what you could do to help that to slide a little easier, okay? So this is one ink pad that I don't use as much, and you could see it's kind of harder to close. So you're going to take a candle, use some wax, and you're going to just run that along the track of your ink pad. Okay, and then the more you use it, the easier it's going to glide. And I would recommend just using something white. All right, a candle that's white. Then you want to run that a couple times, and over time it's going to be so much easier to use, okay? Especially if you have classes or you have people that's using your ink pads and they manhandle it and break it. All right, so that's a quick tip of the day, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you have not yet subscribed, it would be greatly appreciated. You guys have a nice evening.